Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my sewing lair. Today I have on the wall a project that is basted and ready to quilt. I made it from LeMoyne Stars that were constructed using Deb Tucker's LeMoyne Star, Rapid Fire LeMoyne Star ruler, which is a great way to give anybody, regardless of their skills, a quick way to make pretty accurate stars without having to do the inset seams. If you've looked at some of my other videos, you know that I don't mind inset seams, but I did have to go on about a year-long odyssey of building those skills to include doing all the computations to figure out, regardless of what size star I wanted to make, I knew how to do the computations to size the components, which are basically the diamond, the triangle, and the square. And I've done videos on that. So if that's something that you're interested in, I hope that you'll look for it under my LeMoyne Star playlist. But having said all of that, I have been able to put it in a striking 3-color quilt. I basically used the economy block setting, if you will, by putting corner setting triangles. And remember, anytime you put a corner setting triangle on a quilt block, it's generally called setting it on point. So that's where the square point is going north and south rather than east and west. And you get 41% more real estate. So when you have just a few blocks and you want something quick and easy, just adding alternating colors in your corner setting triangles will allow you to put everything together and then get a nice little hourglass block in the middle, as you see here. The other great thing about this quilt is the fabric was very inexpensive. It was $2.99 a yard for the bees. The black fabric was a timeless treasure, Soho black, and I think I paid $3.99 for that. And again, I bought it in bulk because it's a color that I can use a lot of, and the white was, I'm sure, similarly on sale as well. But I'll put the bee fabric on the back as well, and I will probably bind it in the bee fabric. And I am getting I'm getting close to the end of it, but I've used it in a lot of baby quilts, so I've been really happy with it. So you know me, I'm gonna try to find the best value in fabric that I can, and I'm gonna pay, 25 to maybe no more than 50% of retail for any fabric, high quality fabric that I buy. And I feel like I can get a lot from my quilting dollar that way. So it feels good to have put these blocks into good use, and some baby will be an appreciative recipient of this very strikingly colored quilt. Hope you're working on something that gives you joy, and I hope that you'll join me again to see what I am pulling out of the lair and getting up on the board and out the door. Thanks again. Bye.